Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and I'm going to show you step by step on how to alter your title block so every time you open up your drawing page your logo is automatically there. Let's get started. To create your title block so you've always got your information available every time you open up a new drawing page, this can be simply done within the Microsoft Visio app. So let's jump into there. To be able to alter your Avontus Designer title block, what you need to do first is turn on your developer tab within Microsoft Visio. So we need to go into options, and into here we need to go to custom ribbons and then check off the developer. Okay, so once that's ticked off, click OK. So we go back to the home page, click on open, and then we're going to browse this PC. We're going to go to this PC, and then we're going to go to C drive, into users, public documents, and then if you're using the 2022 version of Avontus Designer, it will be under the Scaffold Designer. If you're using the 2023 upwards, then it'll be in the Avontus Designer. So for this one, I'm using 2024 version. I need to go into this file, into templates, and anything in here with an M, this will be for your metric drawing page. Okay, so if you're using metric, that you'll use this one here. Anything else would be for your imperial. So I need to use the folder that has the VSTX. Okay, so if you're using the imperial, you'd use this folder here. So I'm going to click into here, open this one up. This will give me my Avontus Designer preset template. Okay, so that's that down here. As you can see, this will open up. As soon as you open your drawing page, this is what you'll see. You'll already automatically have your company name, because that's what you do when you first sign up in your activation page. So that'll automatically come here, as well as your name. So once we're in this page, what we need to do is click on developer, document stencil, and the information will appear here. So this is your master of this drawing page. Okay, this is your title border, that's this one here. So if you're wanting to alter anything with your terms and conditions or anything like that, you'll do it in this one, and for the title block you'll work with this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on this so my title block appears highlighted. I'm going to right click, properties, and now I'm going to unlock it. So at minute it's true, so it's locked. I'm going to click it to false so I can edit it. So there you go. So what you'll do is right click on this again, go into group, and then open title block, and this will appear like this. So you'll get two windows that will appear. If this one completely takes over your screen, go into view and then align all, and then it'll separate the windows for you. So this is your main one, which is your title block. This is the one that we're going to edit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get my logo. So I want to add my logo in straight away, drag it on to the right hand side, zoom out, and as you can see, anything I'm doing here, you'll see a live view on the left hand side, so you can always check to see if you're happy with it straight away. So I'm happy with that. That looks good to me with just my logo there. So that's all I'm going to deal with today. So now I'm happy with my logo and everything's correct. I go back into my left window, I'm going to highlight everything, and now I'm going to drag this into my stencils. Okay, I'm going to go into my first stencil, I'm going to copy this title name, and then I'm going to go into this one, I'm going to paste it in, and now with my old one I'm going to get rid of. So I've only got my new one in here, and then once I've done that, I can drag out my new one and I can put it in position, click OK. So it automatically go into that position again. Once that's complete, it's worked fine. Once you've dragged it out and everything sits right and everything looks right, what we're going to do is go into more stencils, and then we're going to open stencil. We're going to find that folder again. So this PC, C drive, users, public documents, and mine's in Avontus Designer, templates. And for this one, I'm going to need the VSSX. That's this one here. Okay, so I'm going to open this one, click yes. This will bring this out here. So this is all my information as well. So I need to highlight this again and drag this one into here as well. So this is my master folder, my master stencil for my Avontus Designer. Okay, so I'm going to go in here. I'm going to copy this name again into here, paste that name in there, and now my old title block I'm going to get rid of. Okay, so I'm only left with one title block within this stencil, and then I'm going to drag it out, back into position again where I want it, click OK. So I'm happy with that. Click save, yes, there you go. That's now saved as my master title block. Then what I need to do is highlight it again, right click into properties, and now I need to lock it down. So turn it from false to true, click OK, and now that is locked down for all my titles and all my drawing pages. So whatever I save, this will automatically do it. So let me close this out, save, always save, yes, there we go. Open up Designer, so you can open any drawing page, and when your drawing page opens up, as you can see, what we created earlier has appeared. I hope this helps. If you do like this video, please stay tuned for more to come.